Have you ever wondered how those beautiful plant sculptures are made? Welcome to the art of topiary, a centuries-old technique of pruning and shaping plants into intricate designs, a veritable transformation of greenery into living art. So, are you ready to learn how to create your own topiary masterpiece? Before you start, it's essential to have the right tools and materials. You'll need sharp pruning shears, sturdy wire mesh, and durable gardening gloves. Ideal plants for topiary include boxwood and yew. Now that you have your tools and materials ready, it's time to start shaping. Creating a topiary is a test of patience and creativity. This process begins with the selection of a suitable plant. After all, the plant is your canvas. Once you've chosen your living artwork, it's time to sketch your design. Let your imagination flow, but remember to consider the plant's natural shape and growth pattern. Next, we shape a wire mesh around the plant, following the design sketched. This wire serves as the guide, the blueprint for your topiary. The final step is pruning. With careful snips here and there, your plant begins to take on its new form. But the process doesn't end there. Regular maintenance is crucial. Trimming, watering, and caring for your topiary will ensure it continues to thrive. Remember, topiary is a slow art form. Patience is key to creating a beautiful plant sculpture. So you see, creating a topiary is not as complicated as it seems. With the right tools, suitable plants, and a step-by-step approach, you're ready to shape your own living sculpture. Now, you're all set to create your own topiary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.